A public convention was held at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglan today with an objective of uniting civil society organizations of the state to protect Manipur's integrity. The convention was organized by Thawai Mirel Women Wing. Former acting chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, was the moderator of the convention. Speaking on the occasion, media coordinator of Thawai Mirel Women Wing, Asem Romita, said, the convention was organized with the sole objective of bringing together the CSOs and women organizations of the state to work hand in glove to protect Manipur's integrity. She exhorted the people to decide if the organizations that did not take part in today's convention want to protect the state or not. She said, a joint movement will soon be launched as per the wishes of the people after taking resolutions at today's meet.
Assembly da karigumba akan wari amal lawra kadrana khoine yam khorang na ngairang pado lawra khidre adudagi di ima khaisi assembly chu phamaga akan wari chu amata lawbi da na moina minute 13 tarani thoida loisan khibadagi adudagi amu hena thamoi chokbe hemai kidna ima singna khoigi CSO myamna chu khoina na handai lawjeba se karisu mamal leitana khanbi da banina khoi sira su yare haidana hauji khawba kaimta maya da ta dana chadana lairi adubu ngasi khoigi macha myamna CSO myamna pullaga khoina sida lawgadoriba wari sida makhoi ju kari khanari akoi taningi akoi sida pubiyo haidana akoina ayuktagi sida puraga nahandagi moina wajaribo myam sigi kitang penjana ba haidana akoina pujarakpani masasu yam chole aduna sidai yawbi hawdaba lupsingdudi akoigi myamna makoigi mathakta kari tawgadagi habadudi myamna decision ama lobiraga du tawbada akoi thawai mirelna taram oksagani myamgidamata thawai mirelna linkachabani